What is pseudocode?
Pseudocode is a way of writing out the steps for solving a programming problem, but without using any specific programming language. It uses plain language mixed with some programming-like structure. Think of it as a detailed plan or outline that explains how your code will work, making it easy to follow and understand.
Why do programmers use pseudocode?
Pseudocode helps programmers plan their programs before writing actual code. By describing the logic in plain words, you can focus on solving the problem instead of worrying about syntax. This makes it easier to spot mistakes, organize your thoughts, and collaborate with others, especially if some team members are new to coding.
How does pseudocode make coding easier?
Writing pseudocode lets you break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable steps. Once these steps are clear, you can translate them into code in any language more easily. Pseudocode also reduces confusion and errors, since you have already thought through the logic before you start typing the actual code.
Pseudocode versus real code.
Unlike real code, pseudocode doesn't worry about strict grammar or exact keywords. You don't need to remember rules like semicolons, brackets, or indentation. Pseudocode is all about clarity, making your solution easy to understand. After writing pseudocode, turning it into working code becomes much more straightforward.
Tips for writing good pseudocode.
Keep it simple and clear. Focus on describing the main actions. What needs to happen and in what order. Use phrases like if, repeat, or for each. But don't worry about exact commands. Try to write as if you're explaining the process to a friend. This makes your final code cleaner and your solutions more effective.